I just hand catch the damn thing. It's a real beauty. It's not going to want me to, not suitable for landing. So, you know, it's seen that obstacle in my hand there and it said not suitable for landing. So you got to hit force landing, okay, if that happens. See if I can catch this turkey. It's kind of small though. Okay. All right. Yeah, this thing needs work. Okay. It definitely needs work. They're a lot less noisy. I can just tell by listening, okay? You don't need to be a rocket scientist to figure that out. All right, nice grab. Now maybe I could just hit that button, that return to home button, and catch it. Yeah, I missed it. Like a doofus. Oh well. I got a vape in my mouth. And there it goes. The end of the SEMA. Oh. Yay. I always have a hard time doing that. But I have to switch just because I'm left-handed. So I want to grab it with my left hand, but then when I do that, the obstacle avoidance, and then I can't get the hand on this thing. So it kind of screws it up for me. Okay. So we'll just do that. All right. So there it is, the magnificent Tello. Magnificent. Yeah, it flew good. Actually, this thing flew better this time than it probably ever has for me. Oh shit. I'm aborting that. I wasn't ready for the landing. It was up there a little. So, yeah, the Anafi is very easy to hand catch, but I just wasn't ready for that first landing attempt, okay?